Emma sat on her couch, the photograph clutched tightly in her hands, staring at it as if the face on the paper could speak to her. The rain continued to pour outside, creating a rhythmic backdrop to her racing thoughts. She remembered the distorted voice from the previous night. "Solve it, or they die." The words replayed in her mind, sending chills down her spine. Detective Harris sat opposite her, examining the photo carefully. "This alley where you found it, did you notice anything unusual when you picked it up?" he asked, his brow furrowed. Emma shook her head. "I thought it was just trash. I didn't notice anything at the time, but now it feels important. Like someone left it for me to find." Harris nodded. "Could be a clue?" "The face, it looks familiar, but I can't place it yet. Did Mr. Lawson have any reason to be in that alley at night?" Emma hesitated. "Not that I know of. He's always been friendly. But now I wonder if that friendliness was a mask." A sudden buzz made her jump. It was her phone. Hesitantly, she picked it up. The distorted voice whispered again, "You're closer than you think, Emma. Follow the shadows." Emma's heart pounded. "Shadows? What shadows?" she whispered aloud. "Think about the alley, Emma. There are always shadows there," Harris said. "Something or someone is hiding. We just need to find it." They decided to return to the alley at night, hoping the darkness might reveal a clue. As they walked, Emma's thoughts spiraled. Every stranger on the street seemed suspicious. Every shadow felt alive. When they arrived, the alley was empty, except for trash scattered along the damp pavement. Emma spotted something glinting under a pile of newspapers. Kneeling down, she pulled out a small metallic object. It was a locket, old and tarnished. She opened it carefully. Inside was another photograph, this one showing the same face from the first photo, but alongside someone else, someone Emma recognized. Her hands trembled. "Detective, it's my old colleague, Maria." Harris examined the locket. "This just got more complicated. Whoever left these wants you to connect the dots, Emma. They're testing you, guiding you." Emma felt a cold sweat on her back. She couldn't shake the feeling of being watched. Every shadow of a passerby, every flicker of light made her heart race. Suddenly she heard footsteps echo behind them. She spun around, but the alley was empty. "It's him. Again," she whispered. Harris's hand rested lightly on her shoulder. "Stay calm. Whoever is doing this wants you panicked. Let's focus on the evidence." They left the alley, but Emma's mind kept replaying the photograph, the locket, the mysterious colleague. It felt like pieces of a puzzle were being handed to her, pieces that could unlock a secret someone had gone to great lengths to hide. As they reached her apartment, her phone buzzed one more time. The message was simple. "You're on the right path, but be careful. Shadows move quickly." Emma exhaled slowly. Her pulse was still racing, but a small spark of determination ignited within her. She would follow the clues no matter where they led. She had to. And somewhere, in the darkness outside, the watcher observed, smiling, knowing that the game was far from over. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and play the next episode to continue the suspense.